Crocoin holders, I've got a video for you guys. I want to give you guys a quick update on crypto.com Crocoin and give you guys my opinion on where I think we're headed here. So, welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, so we are looking at crypto Twitter right now, and you can follow me at 333 Black. I say, are you still bullish on Crocoin? Let me know in the comment section below. I say, really would like to see crypto.com implement the Crocoin burn sooner rather than later. And honestly, guys, the lower Crocoin's price goes, the easier it would be for crypto.com and Cronos Labs to implement the Crocoin burn because, well, to be quite frank, it's less money to do it. I say, will it be too little too late? Let me know in the comments section below what you guys think about that, because right now, looking at the chart, it does not look too good. And you know, guys, I'll be honest, the entire cryptocurrency space is taking an absolute beating right now. Bitcoin is underneath like $83,000. And I do think that altcoins are probably going to suffer even more. And you see that right now, Crocoin is underneath a very, very important level. This yellow line at 0.0830 cent level, guys, this is a magnet. When you're below it, it protrudes, it basically pushes the price down, and when you're above it, it pushes the price up. But we always want to find ourselves around this level. When you look back here, it was a very important level to be trading around. And, well, guys, I'll be honest with you. When you look at this, we have capitulated straight down. I mean, you look at market cipher, the money flow is significantly in the red, and it does not look like it's curving to come back to the upside here. It looks like we should probably have some more pain, and I do expect that the overall market to be trading sideways and to the downside for the coming weeks, especially when we take a look at Bitcoin. You'll see why I say that when it comes to Crocoin, because, guys, Bitcoin is bringing the alts down with it, and there's a lot of uncertainty in the overall stock market and really in the macroeconomics of the world, so it's causing a lot of volatility. But I will say, with volatility, there are fantastic opportunities, guys. Check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin, as well as there's a $5.6 million trading competition going on right now. If you sign up below using my link, you become a part of my team, and the more trading volume we do as a team together, the more likelihood we can get access to that prize pool. $5.6 million. It's a lot of money, guys. But I do think that right now, you look at Cronos, we're sitting at rank 48. It's been an absolute bloodbath. It's been a bloodbath. You know, I've been saying that Bitcoin has been posturing to the downside, and a lot of these coins are sitting on really, really important support. And I said, if we lose those support levels, expect more blood in the short term. In the short term, emphasis on that. But you look at this, and, you know, we're trading at about 7.5 cents, a little bit below that, trading at a $1.95 billion market cap. Rough, guys. This so far, the macro cycle high so far, I'll say so far because I will not say that this market is over until the fat lady sings, until probably like the end of Q4 2025, when we know for sure if this was either a mini bear market or if this was actually the top was already in. But we are significantly down from the top. I mean, if you measure from this cycle, we were at about a 20 cent price level, 23 cent price level a wick, and now we're all the way down about 68%, so 70% drawdown about. That's nothing to scoff at. That is a big deal. That's a big sell-off. And, you know, it's not uncommon to see 30% drawdowns on Bitcoin and 60% drawdowns on altcoins. But, guys, I do think that this time is a little bit different, unfortunately. And the Cronos space right now is pretty quiet because, well, guys, price is king. And Cronos and Crocoin have not seen new all-time highs this cycle. But I will say this cycle has been tough for altcoins specifically. So I'm not just going to put all the blame and say Cronos is the only one that hasn't performed well. Guys, like 90% of altcoins have not performed well. And to be quite frank, almost all the new coins that came out this cycle is basically a meme coin cycle. They're all scams and liquidity grabs, guys. It was the casino, and it was liquidating the entire market. It's been very, very tough. But you look at where Bitcoin's at, trading at about $84,500. Bitcoin Diamond's trading at 59.72. ETH around 2,300. When you exclude stable coins, we're basically at 61.72%, so nearly 62% for Bitcoin dominance. Guys, I expect further pain, but there will be a bounce. There will be a relief bounce. So when you look at Bitcoin here, we're looking at the weekly time frame. We have wicked all the way down below to $83,000. We have 3 days left on the weekly candle closure. we need to see a weekly candle closure above 88,000. And I say need to see it if you want to see a significant bounce here. But even if we do see a bounce here, I don't expect anything more than like a test to 94,000. If you see a bounce to 94K, I would not be surprised to see that spill over and reject off of it. Guys, I think that we're in for maybe a mini bear market. And maybe the top is in for the entire cycle, but I think you can argue for the hopium for the bulls that we're going to go into a mini bear cycle and maybe trade sideways throughout the summer, maybe to the end of Q2, maybe. But I really think that this has a lot to do with all this tariff talk going on in the market. It is not favorable for risk on assets, guys. It is not. A lot of people are spooked. It's causing a lot of uncertainty. The stock market has been selling off significantly as well. We need to be patient here, guys. We need to be patient. Let me know in the comments below, are you still bullish on Crocoin, or do you think that it's all over? Because, guys, when you zoom out here, we didn't even come and test a 50-cent price level. But, guys, this time has been different. It has not been easy for altcoins and the altcoin dilution. It's been a very, very rough time. I know, guys, I want to tell you what I'm doing right now. I am buying Bitcoin only, and I am trading. I am shorting a lot of these altcoins to hedge my spot positions as well as make some more money to buy more Bitcoin, guys. And if you do want to hedge or short, check out the description box below. Blowfin, $5,000 sign-in bonus. But, guys, be very careful right now. I think that everything is moving pretty slow, and I think that it's going to take time to really see where this market is headed. It's not very, very swift. I think a lot of people are gotten eaten up. I mean, if you look at altcoins, it hasn't been just an immediate capitulation. We're almost at like time-based capitulation, which is crazy to think about because we didn't really see altcoins make new all-time highs. We kind of, we had a meme coin season instead of altcoin season, and I know that sounds terrible, but that's how it seems right now. People were gambling instead of investing in products that actually have use cases. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about that, because I think that this time is a little bit different, but I don't think it's over until the fat lady sings. I do think we're in for a little bit more of a corrective period over the next coming months, but all in all, we do not have confirmation that the cycle top is in just yet. This could all change if the FOMC meetings come out and Jerome says, hey, we're going to start quantitative easing, we're going to start cutting rates, and then the administrations of the U.S. and all this whole tariff trade war going on across the globe, everyone says, you know what, we're actually not doing that, or you know what, this is what we're going to do when this is final. Let the market digest that news. But, guys, I think it's going to take a little bit of time. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. I will see you in the next one.